Hi there, this is Hardik and you are watching Hardik CAD-CAM. Today we are making this model in Fusion 360, and by making this model we will learn a new command, plane at angle, in this video. All the dimensions are over here. So we will start with a new design by clicking this new design button. Sorry for the interruption. Here I am talking about my course on Udemy. I have created a course on Fusion 360 on Udemy, naming Animated Engine Model Design in Fusion 360. More than 2300 students enrolled on this course and it has 4-star rating. So if you are interested in this course, then there is a link in the description. If you are using that link, you will get some discounts. And share this link with your friends and family, that will help the channel. Thank you very much. First of all, what will we do? We'll create this L-shaped section of the model. For that, we'll create a sketch like this. So we'll go to create sketch and we'll select this plane. First of all, we'll create a line of 30 mm like this and another line of 50 mm like this. So the shortcut for the line is L. We'll click on the origin, we'll write down 30 and enter. We'll create another line from the end point and we'll write down 50 and enter. Now the thickness of this part is given over here, that is 7 mm. So we will offset these two lines downwards. For that the shortcut is O. We'll select this line. As the change selection is on, both lines are automatically selected. Now we will write down 7 and enter. Now we will create two lines like this, 1 and 2. So our section is closed. Now we will extrude it. For that we will finish sketch and we will now extrude it. The width of this object is 35 mm. So we will extrude it 35 mm. The shortcut for that is E. As there is no any section, this section is automatically selected. Now we will write down 35 and enter. Now we will fillet these four corners, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The dimension for that is given over here, 10 mm. The radius will be 10 mm. For fillet, we will go to modify and select fillet. You can also use the shortcut F. This edge is selected. We will select this edge, this one and this one. And we will write down 10 and enter. Now we will create these 4 holes like this. For that we will create a sketch on this face. For that we will go to create sketch and select this face. Now we will create 2 circles on the center point of this fillet. So shortcut for the circle is C. We will select this center point and we will write down 7 and enter. As the diameter of this hole is given over here, that is 7 mm. Now we will create another circle on this center point. We will write down 7 and enter. Now we will finish this sketch and we will extrude it. For that shortcut is E. We will select these 2 circles. We will drag our mouse right inside and we will write down, sorry, nothing to write down, just hit OK. And 2 holes are created. Same way we will create another sketch on this top face and we will create 2 circles on these center points with 7 mm diameter like this. Now we will finish this sketch and we will extrude it. For that the shortcut is E. We will select these 2 circles. We will drag this arrow downwards and OK. Another 2 holes are created. Now we need to create this upper part of the model. For that we'll need to create a plane at angle of 45 like this. we will need to create a plane at 45 degree to this horizontal face like this. For that we will go to construct and we will select plane at angle. Here the command is asking for a line for the reference, so we will select this edge. Now as you can see that a plane is created. Now we need to set it to our requirement. Now you can see that the angle is set to 45 degree and the plane is as per our requirement. So we will click on OK. Now we will create a sketch on this plane. Now for that dimensions are given over here. The distance from this point to this point is 25 mm. And the diameter of this outer circle is given over here, that is 20 mm. So the radius will be 10 mm. So distance from this upper point to the center will be 10 mm. So the distance from this point to the center of the circle will be 25 minus 10, that is 15 mm. So what will we do? We will create a line from origin to upper side 15 mm. Okay. Now we will create two circles like this. The diameter will be 20 mm and 10 mm. So we will create two circles. For circle shortcut is C. We'll click on this endpoint. We'll write down 10 and enter. We'll create another circle from the same origin. We'll write down 20 and enter. Now we will offset this line on both sides. For that the shortcut is O. We will select this line and we will write down 10 and enter. Again we will offset this line on left side minus 10 mm and enter. Now we will join these two lines like this. Now our sketch is ready. We will extrude it. For that finish sketch, and now we will extrude it. For extrusion the shortcut is E. We will select this section, this one and this one, and we need to extrude it downwards. But we don't want to extrude like this. For that we will go to extend and we will select to object and we will select this face. Now we will click OK and our part is almost ready. Now this sketch is hidden, so we will unhide it like this. Now the hole should be throughout the model. For that we will extrude this center circle downwards like this and we will click on OK. So we get a throughout hole like this. Now we will hide this sketch and our model is ready. Make this model on your own, and if you find any difficulty then repeat this lecture. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel as I am posting daily videos of Fusion 360 like this on this channel. And if any of your friends would like to learn Fusion 360, then share with them this channel. That will help the channel and your friends too. Thank you very much.